Hello, my name is Joe Valadez, CSR for New Haven Moving Equipment. Today I'd like to take a moment and talk to you about our 1.5 cubic foot book box. The book box is basically for your heaviest items, which tend to be books. However, it's also good for odd-sized items such as this owl or these two figures here. What you want to do with your book box to get started is utilize these little tabs here. What they do is, when you fold the flaps over and open your box, it keeps your flaps down so they're not in your way. Flip it over. Tape it in. Flip it over. And the first thing you want to do after that is put a nice layer of our newsprint on the bottom to create a cushion. Once you have your first layer set, take your item, add a few sheets of paper, wrap it nicely, place it in the box, continue in this fashion. The benefit to using New Haven's newsprint versus just grabbing a newspaper off the stand is you avoid ink transfer. Also, the high quality paper you get from us works well to protect your valuables. Any gaps that are remaining in the box, fill with paper. You don't want your items shifting around while they're being transported. Grab the corner, pop the tab. Fold in your flaps. See your box. That is a New Haven 1.5 cubic book box. For more tips and tricks, please visit us on our website at www.newhaven-usa.com.